Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with another little wreath DIY. I want a wreath to go on my mirror in my dining room, so I thought I would put one together real quick. Again, it's going to be simple because I've got a lot of stuff going on in that room anyway. So I didn't need a whole lot going on the wreath. This wreath I got from Walmart a couple years ago. And again, I'm going through my stash. It was $2.48. It is a 20-inch wreath. So I'm just going to put this together real quick. If I can get the tag off here. But yeah, like I said, I was going through my stash and found some stuff that I could use to put this together, because like I said, I'm trying not to buy anything else for the holiday this year, so I'm just shopping my stash. Well, anyway, brand new wreath, so super excited about that. Okay, then I had this ribbon, excuse me. I've had this ribbon for, oh gosh, I want to say about 10 or 11 years. When I worked at Dillard's, and we decorated or merchandise, whatever you want to call it, the trees for the holidays, we actually got to keep some of the decorations that were used on the trees. So I kept this ribbon, and I just, rolled it up, pinned it so that it wouldn't unravel, and just put it up in my Christmas decor. So again, going through the stash, I found this ribbon, and it is in the perfect color. It's red, and that's what I've got going on in the dining room. My walls are red, but I'm doing sort of a traditional Christmas in there with the red, greens, and sort of bronze colors along with navy blue. So this will work perfectly. You'll see it if you follow me on Instagram and here on YouTube. You've seen that space. So anyway, let's get started. I'm trying to see which one may be the longest. I think this one's going to be the longer piece of this because I kind of want to make a bow as well. So I'm just going to unravel and start tucking, and I'm not gonna glue anything. Again, I want to kind of recycle and use this again down the road. So yeah, I'm trying to find the good side. There we go. So I'm just gonna do the little in and out method if you want to call it that. And I'm going to use the branches to kind of tuck it in and to go from there. Okay. And I don't think I want to use any ornaments or anything like that. Just kind of want, again, something simple in that space. And like I said, I've had this stuff for years. When I tell you, I have tons of stuff that I've accumulated over the years. It is unreal when it comes to Christmas stuff. So I got to do a massive purge and decide on the stuff I want to keep and maybe get rid of. But then it's like, when you do get rid of it, then you think about what you can do or could have done with the stuff that you got rid of. Y'all know the dilemma. But anyway, yeah, just putting this together. It looks pretty good already. I'm just going around. One thing about these wreaths, boy, they know, or any kind of greenery like this, it loves to shed. Oh my gosh, I'll be vacuuming up these little green shards for days, months even, after the holiday. And I have a really funny tickle in my throat. And I'm hoping it's nothing like a cold or anything. I have my tea over here. Oh gosh. And it seems to be helping. Okay, so we're all the way back around. I'm gonna hold it up and see if I like how this looks. Oh, I love that. Okay. So, let's see. We turn it around. I love that contrast of colors. Okay, so I really hate to cut this, so let's see if we could do a bow without cutting. Let's see. Can we do it, y'all? All right, so here we go. Let's see. Make a loop here. Bow. See if I can do a 2-loop bow. Or a double loop bow. I don't know what you want to call it. We're gonna try. Let's see, I need a tail, so let's do this. We're gonna make this work, y'all. Let me straighten this out. Okay. And here we go. All right, so I'm gonna tie this together. Pull them both loops through. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Did y'all see that? I hope you did. Okay, all I did, make sure y'all could see this, is fold it to the ribbon to where I've got 2 loops on either side. So I'm just zigzagging back and forth. Did I say that right? Zigzagging back and forth to where I have 2 loops on either side. I don't want to cut the ribbon, so this is what we're doing. So now what I'm going to do is actually tie the 4 loops together like so. It's just a regular old tie. And I'm going to pull them taut. And this ribbon is wired, so it should keep its shape pretty nicely. So now I'm just going to adjust a little bit, best I can. And okay. Make a bow here and fluff, so to speak. Okay. Let's see. I'll hold it up where I can see what it looks like. And then what I'm going to do is actually take one of the branches from underneath and run it through the knot, I guess. Well, you know what? Let's do it this way. To secure it, make sure I get it where I want it first. Okay. All right. Kind of fluff. I'm not going to have a tail because I didn't cut the ribbon. So I'm just trying to make it look as, and try to stay in frame too, as normal of a bow as possible. Okay, that works for me. Kind of smush and zhuzh. That should be in the dictionary. Zhuzh. I've heard that a lot this year on YouTube. Okay. Try to zhuzh everything. Alrighty. Okay, I'm liking that. Alrighty. Oh gosh, am I in the frame? Okay, there we go. I just want you guys to be able to see what I did. I did not cut the ribbon. I just made 2 loops on either side, tied it as if you were tying a shoelace, and then pulled it together and zhuzhed the bow or the loops to make them look like a nice little bow. And that is it. Simple. So yeah, I'm gonna hang this in my dining room, and you guys will get a chance to see it. So yeah, just a simple red and green wreath. So that's gonna do it for this video, and until my next one, I will see y'all then. Bye.